welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Guys, go catch the video to hear what Marcia is saying. June, this particular person, she's telling them that, she's comfortable in where she's living, basically, and she is, she has a lot of square feet in her house, and she's speaking about where that person lives and why they're basically hiding. She's telling them that, they can go and get help from the government. However, she's giving them recommendations. So guys, go ahead and go catch a video, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my followers, I wish you a happy day. And it's a brand new day. And it's a new year. It's a brand new celebration for Jamaica. Yes. So it's a wonderful day today. Also, um, if some of us didn't know, but everybody should know by now that Vibes Cartel is indeed free. What a thing. That is very good. It's been a while, coming. So that is another thing for Jamaica. So guys, go catch a video and remember to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.
It's only a rat they will spot you there. Come out and talk the truth. Give it up now. You're not winning. You want to gain the world and lose your soul? Forget to look up fame. Tell the people the truth. You need help. Me feel like I'll donate $150 to you. Me see your clan right now. Me feel like donate $150 to you, to my enemy. You're living like a subway, New York City subway rat. Look at your gang. Right under one step in a old place, old dirty place. With pipeline and something. I used to see in a Janet house a spin round. Give it up. Ashanti 360, give it up. On a serious note, give it up. Give it up and go look some help. And if you check yourself in a mental institution and you're sick, give it up. This lifestyle and this type where I live, give it up. That it look like it capture somebody abandoned building on a serious note. Huh? Me glad God exposed you last night. Jesus Christ. Suppose me show you where me I live. The apartment where me now. Huh? And I don't regret paying this money for it. So suppose me turn on this a blood clot camera, dirty boy, and show you. Huh? Huh? Suppose me show you. 100 people can hold in a living room here. In a which part me there? 100 people can live, can hold in here and party in here. 100. I'm telling you right now. More than 100 people can party in here. If me take out the furniture them. May I tell you straight up. 100 people can live, can party in here. Wait until my girlfriend them can come up. And you will see something. I can find out from management. You're not in a no blood clot position to talk about me. Give it up. Change from your dirty ways. Your supporter them need to send us some money. You all your fucking year one though, and you can't even afford for the year. You have to roll it up yourself. You come like say I want like a pitney go in here and roll it up for him. Normally him have a year twist up and go somewhere go twist up it. Not him can't even afford to twist up it. And the money him a wait pan for twist up it from YouTube. Go and look at the pictures them and draw them up. You need you call 411 in New York City or wherever it is. Them have homeless shelter for you. You will get a better rest. You under step. That means so where you is you're not comfortable. You're not comfortable. You can't do no life there. Give it up. So Vice Cartel free. They go and talk about Vice Cartel. Come in, me I tell you right now, Ashanti 360. Boy, I feel sorry for you. You're my enemy, but God don't feel sorry for you. Me not lie. Tears coming in my heart when I say, me I argue with something like you. And see who me I live. That's for sure, so don't trouble God's children. That is to prove to you that there's a God. Don't trouble God's children. Me not lie. That is for sure you do not trouble God's children. And suppose me movie product, me series did come through. Can you imagine, me say me well want to come through so I lift from my bumper cloth, you see? I well want the series to come back. If you can't talk about me. At that time I go and pop some blood clot style pa uno. Me say me well want the series to come back. You don't even know. For me get to come and pop some blood clot style. Me not ask you. When I don't travel the ass world. I don't know where I wouldn't go. I don't know where I wouldn't go. And live my life. One supporter me not talk to one supporter on my phone, they call me. And one supporter always call me, and that is the truth. And she did it, and she tell me where I go on him page. And the things that I say. And I turn on the camera, and I say, have a look. I don't know if she's watching. I say, have a look. When my phone charge, calling miss. I turn on my phone and I say, have a look. Have a look. I can't live in a motel when me have upstairs and downstairs. I can't live in a motel with upstairs and downstairs. So the TV in the living room and play. Right, that's all. The TV in the living room play. He's gotta be perfect. Let me go upstairs now. As we've said, Jungle Hum comes to the table. May I go upstairs? So me can't live in a motel. So me had a TV here in a bedroom. So me had a TV here. See that?
No time to be modest.
Different something I play.
$7 right now. DQ. Happy tastes good.
See that?
I'm moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches.
See that? See that? Downstairs. Your TV downstairs. See TV downstairs, play gymnastic. See TV downstairs. I play gymnastic. See TV up in our bedroom, yeah? See there? Look.
That will connect in a powerful way.
I can finally be the leader of the pack. The best day of my life.
We're golden.
I feel golden.
Yeah.
Two different things. Let me shut it off.
Not so much.
So how do Ross me live in a motel?
Curacao Coast Guard support point goes
Huh?
to the aid of a local boat with engine failure.
Our people are always glad when the Coast Guard comes to their rescue.
Me turn off the TV up in our bedroom. May I go downstairs? May I go downstairs in my living room? So may I go downstairs in my living room? Okay, see my living room here. Volta go on. Okay. Go get a life.
He is flirting with disaster on every skill.
Go get a life.
And this is so gutsy because it is so risky.
Let me turn this down.
But it looks so beautiful.
Then we have copyright. These are copyright. Not show them nothing. Me not show them. Me show you how me live in a motel. And shit up place and all kind of something. Yeah, me phone me away for charge. Me feels you. Me not ask you. Me not idiot. Me don't know what you think you talk to. Your contents them is very lame. And so come play memory for your ass. A memory you want. Me not argue with you. People call me like Marcia after looking at you. My boyfriend look at you and say, see the boy here. See the boy here. Where I look at me. And the first thing boyfriend said, but this man is on drugs. Him look like a drug addict. I don't show nothing. Him over there tell people say me live in a motel. So me just say me can't live in a motel and me have upstairs and downstairs. You understand? I'm just saying. It's not a need. So I can show you how the boy over there look contents. Talk which part me live. Where you tell people say me live in a motel. If you know which part me live, talk which part me live. Talk. If you talk the truth, where you come and downgrade it for? If you talk which part me and if you come here, which part me there? If you come, and that if you do, you must come. And that you must do. Me not have to argue with you. I feel sorry for you. After seeing which part you live, me have a change of heart. I feel sorry for you. God know. Because I remember when I used to watch you back in the days, I used to come over on page and bless me up and have a blessed good night and all kind of something. And me just feel sorry for you. God know. I feel sorry for you. Because I see the wrath of God on catching you. The picture is on my Facebook page. I see the wrath of God for all the things them you're not change. And you're so stubborn, you're not seeking help. And Janet told me that he's bipolar. On a real notice, that's how you guys are dealing with a sick individual. And so he's bipolar. And so the only way him can survive in a situation like this is based on what is happening to get the attention. So he's bipolar. He's certified bipolar. And I look at you and I'm like, if you had sense, you would have treated Janet better, so you could have stayed in that house. Now you have to be doing video under one cellar. Because the people who are taking up for you like Matlock can't put you up. She don't have no way because she's struggling too. She barely can make it. She don't have nothing. She's a welfare recipient. She's on food stamp. She's maybe working, but she ain't got nowhere to put you. Even if you have to sleep, but so now you have to be down. Look at you. You have to give it up. Ashanti 360, you have to give it up. You have to give it up. Enough is enough. You're living like dog. No dog. You're living like rat. Because American dog is living better than you. You're living like New York City subway rat. On a serious note, you're living. I ain't got to tell you if it's nothing. I got to tell you if it's something. I see the wrath of God. You are living like New York City subway motherfucking rat. And listen to me. Me now come out to come play your stuff them. You're not in a no blood clot position to talk about Marcia. Ashanti 360 me I live good. I am living very good. Me living like a blood clot movie star. And I'm paying for it. Enough money. And I'm going to get what I want. It's my life and it's my money. You understand? And I'm living the way I want to live, and I love the way where I am. I'm in a sign no permanent contract. And let me tell you something. You're living like a rat. Because if you go down the soil in a base, down in a cellar there, underneath one old step with pipeline a show, in a garbage dump, and look at your hair, you don't even comb your hair. Your ear twist up. That means it come like him here, come like him, take him hand and twist the shiny bump them. You can't even go on the road because you look so car people can recognize you. And you look like a shit. What make you, Dana? You over there talk thing and I go on like you whatever. What make you not go get one room for your big friend, your big co-worker? You over there, Dana. You go until come listen to my video tape later. What make you not collect some money? You're there at Jamaica do charity. Do some charity for the boy and give him one. Say if you can't put him up for the winter, come in know what doing in the winter. I don't think him can go to the government because government must want him. Probably even hide from tax invasion or something. Him can't get nothing because that's what Janet told me. Say him can't get nothing in their name. Nothing at all. He's hiding. Cause if him coulda get a driver's license or get something in their name, he coulda get back one piece of old car. Because there's car out there sell for $2,000. Not even that him can't get back because him not go have a license for register it. And dirty Matlock probably not drive. If you go register it for him. And who want go register and then he go mash up here, then go run up ticket and all them something, and then everything will come in at them name. So who is gonna do that for you? So what make your people and buy you one car? Because you can go to a dealership and buy a cheap car for $2,000. Not even that you can, because at least you could have sleep in your car. Or someone don't go one truck stop. Them not say me go a truck stop go sleep. It's only celebrity live which part me live, right? That's what me not lie. And I really celebrity, but me tell say me living good. So me I said to myself, say, I saw me for live. I saw me for live. So I am saying to you, what are you doing with your money? Because if you could have stayed somebody's yard and you have your YouTube and Facebook, because if I am getting that amount that I'm getting, because you talk and say I make over $3,000. So why you can't go in a one dealership and buy one car? Because if you have your car, at least you can sleep in your car, go on truck stop and whatever it is. But you can't do it because you lose your privilege. Police is looking for you. And if you go register DMV, they go see in the system say police looking for you. And if you see you lose a license for you. Because car is selling for $2,000-$3,000. Because you look up, it's an old one where you have and you sell it you sell it. So what I'm saying is this: how is it that you're making so much money and you're down in a one piece of seller? Me say thank you, Jesus. Support her, big up yourself. If I know which party they me send you one sheet. If America you there, me send you one sheet, come give you. If America you there,